time keeps walking on. You say you can change me, still the dawn is the dawn. People keep saying they can edit my fire, rewire my longings, repaint my desire. Blueprints and theories, but nothing they show. Meanwhile I'm breathing and choosing as I go. Life has a pulse that ignores all the chatter. They circle my heart like I'm some kind of matter, a puzzle to tweak with a lab-coated grin. While I'm out here living, the day rolls in. You talk like a surgeon inside of my head, but you never have evidence, just what you said. Your promises crumble, they don't quantify, and still I'm expected to stand here and try. While you aim ghost x-rays at the code in my veins, you claim you'll flip the switches, remove my chains, but my genes are poems you can't override, and my wants are lanterns that belong to my nights. Life keeps on going, I won't press pause until you can prove it. Stop drafting my laws. If you can't love me before you revise, then you don't get to handle the shape of my life. People keep saying it's substance's blame, but you never found any, still chanting that claim. No tobacco shadows, no alcohol stain, no powdery fingerprints marking my brain. You list all the factors you think that I've touched, yet never can show me a single one much. Like tracing a comet with chalk on the floor, you're changing a nothing while asking for more. You frame my identity, saying I must change, then you say you'll support me, conditional exchange. But love that requires a rewrite first is drought wearing perfume while calling it thirst. While you aim ghost x-rays at the code in my veins, you claim you'll flip the switches, remove my time has carried on. I kept myself holy, and still the dawn is dawn. While you aim ghost X-rays at the